The Democratic pulse is beating in Rajasthan as voters head to the polls for the assembly elections. With 199 seats up for grabs, the incumbent Congress is eyeing a consecutive term, while the BJP, underlining collective leadership and Prime Minister Narendra Modi's popularity, aims to unseat the Ashok Gehlot-led government. Voting is in full swing across 199 out of 200 constituencies scheduled from 7 am to 6 pm, with a crucial vote counting slated for December 3rd. With more than 5 crore 25 lakh voters in play, this election has the potential to reshape the political landscape of the state. Rajasthan has a unique history of never electing the same party to a majority in consecutive elections for the 200-member assembly. Adding to the electoral dynamics is a controversy that has stirred the political pot. In a state grappling with a high unemployment rate, a paper leak in a government teacher recruitment exam has become a significant issue. The opposition BJP has seized on this, framing it as a symbol of corruption within the Ashok Gehlot-led Congress administration.
देखिए, पिछले 5 वर्षों में गहलोत सरकार में लूट की खुली छूट थी। शराब माफिया, खनन माफिया, आपका पेपर लीक माफिया से लेकर तबादला माफिया से लेकर अन्य माफिया यहाँ पे सक्रिय थे और लूट की खुली छूट में आपको लॉकर से लेकर सचिवालय तक करोड़ों रुपए नकद मिलते हैं, कई किलो सोना मिलता है। इससे पता चलता है राजस्थान को लूटने का काम गहलोत सरकार में हुआ।
हमारा किसी पेपर लीक में किसी भी परिवार के सदस्य का अगर कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट पाया जाए तो हम लोग पूरी तरीके से स्पष्ट करना चाहते हैं कि न तो हमारा पेपर लीक से कोई संबंध है, न हमारा कलाम कोचिंग से कोई संबंध है। केवल और केवल ये वातावरण दूषित करने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी कर रही है। इसका हम मुंहतोड़ जवाब देंगे।
As of the recent update, Rajasthan has marked a voter turnout of 68.24%, with expectations of an increase as polling concludes. This stands in contrast to the previous assembly elections, where the state recorded an impressive 74.72% voter turnout. As the people of Rajasthan exercise their democratic right, the outcome of this election will be closely watched. Keep following us for more updates on this crucial electoral battle. This is Ambush Tripathi along with Shania Das reporting for The Statesman.